I'm Achal Mishra and I'm the co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Mumbai. I like building web applications using machine learning models with TensorFlow.js. Are you excited to build something with the power of TensorFlow? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Shubham Agnihotri and I'm co-organizer at TensorFlow User Group Bangalore. I use TensorFlow to create and train deep vision models which not only solves our daily problems but also eases our lives. Are you excited to build something like this with the power of TensorFlow? Then join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hello, my name is Prasan Kotarathil. I'm the organizer of TFUGs Thrissur. I really like to use TensorFlow for creating art and paintings. Are you excited to build something? I invite you to TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hi, this is Usha. I'm the organizer for TensorFlow User Group Mysuru. I'm passionate about TensorFlow, and TensorFlow is currently revolutionizing the deep learning space in all walks of life, whether it is skin cancer classification or detecting the impact of helmets in a football match or detecting air pollution. So TensorFlow is everywhere. If you want to know more about the power of TensorFlow, you should join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. We have great lineup of speakers and see you all there.
Hey all, I am Aiten Kesavan. I am a co-organizer at TensorFlow User Group Coimbatore. I love using TensorFlow library to build computer vision models and deploy it for real-world use cases. Are you interested in building something new? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere and let's learn together.
Hello everyone, I'm Vijay Bharati, organizer of TensorFlow User Group Chennai. I use TensorFlow Extended for building end-to-end ML pipeline while implementing MLOps. Are you excited to build something using TensorFlow? Join with us, TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashi and I am an organizer at TensorFlow User Group Chandigarh. I really like to use TensorFlow for deploying machine learning models on Android devices using TensorFlow Lite. Are you excited to build something? I invite you all to TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hello everyone, I am Dhaval Parmar and I am a co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Ahmedabad. I am using TensorFlow on mobile and IoT devices. Are you excited to build something with the power of TensorFlow? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. Okay, so hello, namaste, namaskar, sat sri akal, vanakkam, assalamu alaikum, adab, and pranam to all tensors present here. I hope you all are doing amazing. I am Achal Mishra, one of the organizers from TensorFlow User Group Mumbai, and I wholeheartedly welcome you all on behalf of the entire TFUG India team to the pre-event of TensorFlow Everywhere India. So yes, I can see the excitement in the chat box, but yes, we'll wait for another 4 to 5 minutes for other tensors to start joining in, and then we'll start with the pre-event. Till that time, feel free to connect with each other and introducing yourself in the live chat. So yes. Hello everyone, I am Achal Mishra and I'm the co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Mumbai. I like building web applications using machine learning models with TensorFlow.js. Are you excited to build something with the power of TensorFlow? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Shubham Agnihotri and I'm co-organizer at TensorFlow User Group Bangalore. I use TensorFlow to create and train deep vision models which not only solves our daily problems but also uses our lives. Are you excited to build something like this with the power of TensorFlow? Then join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hello, my name is Prasan Kotarathil. I'm the organizer of TFUG Trishur. I really like to use TensorFlow for creating art and paintings. Are you excited to build something? I invite you to TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hi, this is Usha. I'm the organizer for TensorFlow User Group Mysuru. I'm passionate about TensorFlow, and TensorFlow is currently revolutionizing the deep learning space in all walks of life, in cancer classification, or detecting the impact of helmets in a football match, or detecting air pollution. So TensorFlow is everywhere. If you want to know more about the power of TensorFlow, you should join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. We have great lineup of speakers, and see you all there.
Hey all, I am Maitreyan Kesavan. I am a co-organizer at TensorFlow User Group Coimbatore. I love using TensorFlow library to build computer vision models and deploy it for real-world use cases. Are you interested in building something new? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere and let's learn together.
Hello everyone, I'm Vijay Bharati, organizer of TensorFlow User Group Chennai. I use TensorFlow Extended for building end-to-end ML pipeline while implementing MLOps. Are you excited to build something using TensorFlow? Join with us, TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashi and I'm an organizer at TensorFlow User Group Chandigarh. I really like to use TensorFlow for deploying machine learning models on Android devices using TensorFlow Lite. Are you excited to build something? I invite you all to TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hello everyone, I am Dhaval Parmar and I am a co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Ahmedabad. I am using TensorFlow on mobile and IoT devices. Are you excited to build something with the power of TensorFlow? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hey all, welcome to the. I'm Maitreyan from TFUG Coimbatore.
And I'm Achal Mishra from TensorFlow User Group Mumbai.
And we are happy to have you all in this event and hope we have a lot of fun in today's event.
So yes, we TFUGs from India are back in action with India's biggest machine learning fest with TensorFlow, where we have something special for everyone. So yes, let's start talking about the event first. So yes, yeah. So yes, VTFUG. Just give me a second. I'm missing out.
Okay. the Anshul?
Yes, I'm there now. Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
I'm there. Okay. So TensorFlow Everywhere is a series of global events run by leads of TensorFlow and machine learning communities around the world. And VTFUGs in India are coming up with a grand TensorFlow Everywhere India. So basically, it is a one-day event organized end-to-end by TFUGs with the aim to bring together all the curious machine learning enthusiasts, developers, and researchers. So yes, join the event from the comfort of your homes to learn about lively stuff in TensorFlow from experts and see what your peers are making with TensorFlow and of course connect with like-minded people. Okay, next slide please, next slide.
Yeah. So it is changed. Just a second.
Yeah. So now let's talk about the speakers we have lined up for today. We have lined up amazing. We have lined up a series of amazing speakers for you all. And so starting with first speaker, that is Anita Vijay Kumar. So she is a technical project manager at TensorFlow. Next, what we have, whom we have is Akshay Bahadur. He's a senior data scientist at Lois, and he's also a machine learning GD, MLGD. Next we have Sharmistha Chatterjee, who is a senior manager of data science at Publicis Sapient, and she is also an MLGD. And last but not least, we have high school student we have Rashid Dagli, a high school student, TEDx and TEDx speaker, and he's also a certified TensorFlow developer. Okay, now let's talk about the agenda. So I'll just briefly discuss about the agenda which we have planned for you all on for 20th February. So we'll be starting with a welcome note. We'll be kicking off the event with a welcome note and some insights on TFUG India by Anuj Taggal, the developer relations from Google India. Next, we'll be having an interactive session on TensorFlow ecosystem, which will be covered by Anita Vijay Kumar, technical project manager from TensorFlow Google. Next, we'll be having an interactive discussion on optimizations in distributed computing using TensorFlow by Sharmistha Chatterjee, who is a senior manager at data science at Publicis Sapient and an MLGD. Next, we'll be having an icebreaker activity. So I think this is the most exciting part about the event. So if you all have been attending events by GDG India, like Google Cloud Community Days and other events like online during lockdown, so you must be knowing these icebreaker activities, which actually make you stand there. You can actually get the chance to win cool TensorFlow goodies, which we'll be having in the stock. And yeah, that's pretty much exciting. So we'll be having two icebreaker activities. One will be after the session of optimizations in distributed computing using TensorFlow, and next we'll be having in the next cohort. Next, after this, the icebreaker activity, we'll be having an event, or we'll be having a session on Indian Sign Language Recognition (ISLAR) by Akshay Bahadur, senior data scientist at Lois, and he's also an MLGD. Okay, so following up the queue agenda, we have next is the session on making deployment easy to serve with TensorFlow Serving by Rashid Dagli, who is a high school student, a TEDx speaker, and a TEDx speaker, and a certified TensorFlow developer. Next, having another round of icebreaker activity, which we'll be having a fun quiz about discussing about various factors or various features on TensorFlow and some other features. Next, after that, what we have is we'll be having a session by Rohan on what's new in TensorFlow, and Rohan is from TensorFlow team from Google. Next, we'll be having a live Q&A session by audience with Anita and Rohan. And last but not the least, we'll be having a closing note and the winners announcement by Mr. Ali Mustafa, who is a co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Mumbai with me too. Okay, so yeah, if you have not registered yet for the TensorFlow Everywhere event, which is going to happen on 20th Feb, what are you waiting for? Kindly register and do follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, where we keep on sharing amazing activities which we are conducting as of now. I'll be discussing that soon. I'll be discussing that also soon. So yeah, stay updated.
Okay, hope you all have registered for the TF main event. And let's get into the main part of today's session, which is the TensorFlow quiz. Hope you all are excited about the quiz. So the quiz would be 20 multiple choice questions, and you'd be having 25 seconds to answer those questions. So we have few instructions that has to be followed. Let's get into it. So the quiz would be conducted in the Slido platform. So the few things that is very important is that the username that you're going to give in Slido. So the username should be your name without at gmail.com. So for example, if your email ID is tfeverywhereindia@gmail.com, then your username should be tfeverywhereindia. This is very important because we are going to provide the vouchers using this ID only. So make sure you're entering your username properly. Okay. And in the next slide, we'll be, yeah, Anshul?
Yes, I'm there. I'm
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, okay. So let's get into this. So this is the Slido link. So please go to the slido.com and enter the hash code TF quiz. So once, can you start entering?
Go to slido.com and enter the code there, that is TF quiz, hashtag TF quiz. Hashtag will already be there. So just add caps TF quiz. And
so we'll also providing the link over the chat. You can also get it from there.
Yes, it will be spammed in the chat box too. So yes, you can see people joining in. Okay, that's amazing.
Okay, we have many people from the various locations. Mumbai, Noida.
Yes. So we have people from Mumbai. Yeah. We have most of the people from Mumbai and New Delhi. That's amazing. Bangalore.
Yeah, and the count is getting increased a lot. That sounds great.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So yeah, most of the crowd is from New Delhi. That's amazing. That sounds good.
We also have people from North India to South India. That's also a great variation.
Yes, and, exactly. I can see the variation in that too. So this is amazing. Okay.
Okay, we are almost going to reach 100 people.
We are going to reach 100 people soon. 90. And we are 103. We are 100 plus there. Okay.
Okay, we can wait for it. Keep on increasing. We can wait for another 2-3 minutes.
Yes, I think we'll wait for another 2-3 minutes because it's increasing rapidly. So let's just let's just wait for that. 130. Okay, still it's increasing rapidly. Yeah. So
wow.
Okay, we have 155 people with us. Okay, 160. What do you think? It will reach 200?
200 would be very nice. Let's see.
I think it will reach 200.
200 would be a tough competition, actually. That is also to be remembered.
Exactly. Yeah. But let's see. I think that, it will reach 200 plus. Let's see. Okay.
A lot of ML enthusiasts in Bangalore, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah, we have people from all the major cities and also from many interior cities like Vellore, Tirupur, and also.
Exactly. Yes, I can see interior cities too. We have people from Bhilai, Kathua, quiz. Okay, someone has entered TF quiz. From where you're joining, someone has entered TF quiz. That's amazing.
Okay, make sure, but enter your username properly. This is fine, but username is very important. So we have crossed 200. That's great. That's
that's okay. Fine. Yeah, we are more than 200 people. We have 200 plus people live there. That's amazing on the slide. Okay, so most of the people seem to be from Bangalore, Mumbai, New Delhi, Coimbatore, Kolkata, New Delhi, Patna, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Lucknow, Nagpur. Okay, many people are from TF quiz. Okay, so I mentioned TF quiz. Many people are actually joining by TF quiz also. They are mentioning they are joining from TF quiz.
Yeah, it is getting bigger and bigger.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No foreign participants, I guess. Most of them are India. It's
yes, as of now, I can see, everyone is from India. That's amazing.
Okay, we can wait for another 2 minutes and then we can get into the user.
Yes, I think, Now the pace is little bit slow. It is getting little bit slower with the joining.
But so, it's still increasing, but
It's still increasing, but it is rapidly increasing still.
Okay. Let's stop at 230. 240.
Yes, 240. Do you think that we can reach 250? Maybe I'm assuming more, but let's see. I think 230 or 229. Okay, now the pace is a little bit slow.
We have around 200. Okay.
2:32. Okay, I think we will start now.
Yeah, we can start. Okay, we'll go to the actual quiz. So please enter your username. Username should be your name without, okay, people have entered, without the at gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So once we saw 235, right? So once we see
Yes,
around
we saw.
230 registrations, we can start.
Yes. Kindly make sure that you are entering the correct username because that is the only thing by which we can connect with you all for if you stand a chance to win, then yeah, we'll be connecting with you through that particular username and email ID only. So yeah, kindly make sure that you are writing a correct username.
Please put some effort in writing the username correctly. It's a
Yes.
humble request.
Yes. And one more tip before joining in, kindly make sure that your main focus is on the Slido browser and not on the YouTube stream because mostly what will happen that there can be like in 3 4 seconds gap between when we'll be streaming and how you will be actually viewing the game or viewing the whole quiz inside the Slido browser. So kindly focus on that because you might keep on losing the question by focusing more
Yeah.
on the YouTube stream. That's right.
Slido should be your first priority. Be
Yes,
over there. You can listen to audio, but Slido should be your
you can
priority.
listen to our audio. Yes, but yeah, keep your eyes on the Slido browser only.
Okay, we guess we can when it's 2:30 we can start.
Yeah, I think we'll be for 2:30 and then we'll start.
Yeah, it's exactly
People have
2:30.
given usernames, so yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's get
Okay.
into the quiz. So once again, I iterated. So there are totally 20 questions, and each question will have 25 seconds. We'll be showing the leaderboard in between, and the final results will be announced on the main event. So I hope everyone in the same page, and let's get started. Wait for the question to be popped up. Okay, we are starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. So function to convert NumPy array to tensor. These are the options: tf.convert to array, tf.convert to tensor, tf data types, tf estimator. This is the question. You
Okay.
can answer. Start answering.
Okay, I
So
think I got the answer.
okay, let's see what people are answering.
Yes, let's see.
I want at least 200 people to answer the question. We are around 250
Okay,
people. Let's
yeah,
see.
let's see that. Okay, time's up.
So we have more than 200 answers.
Okay, so
Okay, that's
yeah,
nice.
most of them have
So
answered B, that is convert to tensor, tf dot convert to tensor function. That's amazing.
okay,
Some
that
of them
looks
have also answered A.
okay.
Okay,
Only 1% has answered TF estimator. So let's look into the answer.
yes,
So
let's look
most
into
of
that.
you are right, and we are starting with a
Yes,
good note. So tf.convert to tensor is the function that is used to convert array to tensor. So most of you are right. So let's get into the second question. Be ready. So which of the following evaluation metric can be used to evaluate a model while modeling a continuous output variable? Your output is continuous. What is the metric that you'll use? AUC or ROC,
okay.
accuracy, mean squared error, or log loss. These are the options that we have. So the output is continuous output variable. So you can give your answers. What do you think? How many would be getting the right answer right? Anshul?
I think 50, 50, 45%, maybe like more than that. Okay.
Okay, we are wrong.
So we have 63 of them,
Okay, let's see
63% people
whether
answering.
let's see the answer.
Yes, let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Okay, mean
That's
squared error is the right
amazing.
answer. So all the other metrics are used for basically classification problem. Mean squared error is used for continuous output problem. So far we are
Yes.
going good. So let's move to the third question, Anshul.
Yes.
Okay. Mention the name, some of the methods to deal with overfitting in TensorFlow. So will you use dropout technique or regularization or back normalization or all of the above? Which technique
Oh,
will you use? So
yeah.
it's important that you see all the options.
It
Don't be
can be
very
quite, yeah, it can be a little bit confusing maybe because most like maybe, let's see, no, I'm not telling anything.
okay, fine. The time is up. So
Let's
we are
see.
240 answers.
Yeah, that
Okay.
was quite obvious maybe. Like, yeah, I think you gave a hint, like all of them can be correct.
But
So you
any,
gave a hint.
I didn't
Yes.
give it. I just wanted to make sure that they don't want to start with the mistake. So read all the options and then go forward. So the
Okay,
answer is
yeah.
all of those not the answer yet. We are not shown the answer. Let's see.
Let's see. Okay.
Okay, fine. So all of you are almost all of those right. So right now we
Yes.
have many participants, but many of you might get all the answers right. But for leaderboard, we'll be considering the time. Time is also a very crucial factor. So let's look
Yeah.
into the leaderboard and so that you'll have a better understanding. Okay.
Okay.
So we have
That
many people that is got all the answers right, but a person
yes.
has answered within 20 seconds all the questions. That's
SR
amazing, right?
Jordan 4 and 4. That's amazing. His total
Yeah,
time
yeah,
is 19 seconds. That's amazing.
yeah.
Here, here
And
as
you can
record.
see the competition is very almost a second is the difference. Okay.
Exactly. I mean, not yeah. Second and third, the competition is very close. But yeah, like others, competition is very close. But yeah, the first one is the first. Like yeah, he has been
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Okay. But it's just the beginning. We have many more questions, and it's
Exactly.
going to
We
be
have
trickier. So let's move
yeah.
forward. Until thank you.
Yes. Yeah. So the next question is function to find the version of TensorFlow being used in Python. We have options A, B, C, and D. You can choose either A and B, both of them. You can choose none of them, or you can choose A and B. So yes, go ahead. We have 10 seconds left. And yep,
Okay.
let's see.
So yeah, the competition is going to be very tough, I guess. So the time matters
Right
a lot,
now.
I guess. Yeah,
Yes.
time or
Okay.
okay.
Okay, so yeah, let's check. Okay, there is a very close competition between A and C. So many people have
Yeah,
answered both A and B, and some people have answered only A. So yeah,
yeah.
it's going
Let's
to be
see into it.
interesting, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
let's.
Let's look into it. So the thing is, we can use both the above functions to get the version. The second one is not used predominantly, but it can be used. So
Correct.
43% has got it right. So
Yes.
yeah, now let's move forward.
Yes. Let's move forward with the next question. Okay, so the next question is which is not a valid parameter in tf.keras.model.fit function? And your options are A, batch size, B, shuffle, C, workers, D, loss. So yes, you have more than 12. Yeah, yeah. You have 10 seconds
Okay.
left. So yeah, answer in fast. And I think this is little bit easy.
Yeah, this might. I think that might be tricky.
Yeah,
It's tricky
I
from
think
yes.
we'll have 85% people answering them correct.
Okay,
Okay.
let's see.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. So
the
yeah, we have
answer, the
49.
obvious answer is workers. So let's look into it.
Yes.
So this is the first one. The majority has not answered correctly. The thing is,
Yes.
all these functions are available in model.fit, but loss would
Hmm.
you would keep giving loss in the model.compile function, not in the fit function.
Correct.
Workers would be used in the you can have many workers to fit the you can train it parallelly. So workers can be there. So loss is the thing. So this it's going to be getting tricky from here, and I guess
Yes.
okay, let's look into the leaderboard right now, Anshul.
Yes. Let's dive into the leaderboard and let's say we have. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, now SRJ Ron is now not there. The now we
Yeah,
have Srihari
yes.
Hambalwadi 97. He has answered 5 out of 5 questions correct, and his total
Yes.
time is 37 seconds.
37.
That's
Avinash is
amazing. The
standing at
second,
second place.
yes,
Yeah.
Avinash can beat him. I think in the maybe in the by the next round. Yeah, we don't know because last time we had like such a tough competition, but now he's not here. So yeah, the competition will be getting bit like tougher. So yeah,
Yeah, but still we got the first 5 places got all the 5 correct. That is amazing.
exactly. That's
Yeah.
amazing. This is a good one. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move forward.
Yes. Okay, so the next question is what does ReLU do for a value x? So yes, you have your options there. A, it returns the negative of x. B, it only returns x if it is greater than 0. And C, if it only returns x if x is less than 0. D, for a value x, it returns 1 by x. So yep. Yeah, this is
So
like
Relu,
can be a little bit confusing. This can be a little bit confusing, but yeah.
I guess people would be answering this. Yeah. This is
Yes, we have
comparatively. Yeah.
it's
We
a
have a
little bit
majority in
easier.
one particular answer. Let's see.
Yes.
So yeah.
So yeah,
So if the
yeah.
value x is greater than 0, we have x. If x is less than 0, we give it a 0. Okay.
Correct.
So most of us have got the right answer. So let's move to the 7th question and let's see.
Yes.
So we are getting into computer vision. What is a pooling? A technique to isolate features in image, a technique to make image sharper, or reduce the information in the image while maintaining the features, or combining pictures. What is the function? What does pooling does? So we are getting into computer vision right now. So it gets interesting.
Yes, it gets interesting with computer vision.
Okay, I guess most will get the
Okay, time is
answer.
up.
Yeah,
Yes.
we have
Okay.
a
So
great
yeah, we have
audience.
78% of people who have answered it right. So yes, it is a technique to reduce the information in an image while maintaining the features. It is a correct answer.
Okay, we are getting few right answers right now. There might be one tricky
Yes.
question here and there, but our audience are very good, I guess.
Very
We are
good.
nailing
Yeah,
it.
they are really smart. They are been constant. Like we are getting constant majority of votes while answering. I hope YouTube stream is not helping them out.
Okay, I also hope so. But they are also answering very fast. There are a few things.
Yes,
Majority.
still they are answering. Yeah, exactly. So the winners will be those who will be answering it fast anyways. So yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's move forward. The eighth question.
Yes.
So, after passing a 3 cross 3 filter over a 28 cross 28 image, how big will be the output? Will it be 31 cross 31, 25 cross 25, 28 cross 28, or 26 cross 26? So, you have input image, you are doing a convolution operation, a filter of size 3 cross 3. What will be the output? So, this might be tricky or it can be easy. Let's see.
Yes.
Okay.
I think this many people will get confused, but let's see.
Okay, it
Okay,
looks
there
wonderful,
is a
right?
confusing one.
It
It is
looks
a
wonderful, right?
confusing one. Like it is
So,
like a series, right? You know,
yeah,
it is speaking that pyramid kind
it
of
is a,
structure.
it is in a sorted order.
Yes, this is amazing. Okay, fine. So mainly, I think all of them are confused. So let's just show the answer.
Yeah, but the majority answer is 28, 28 6 cross 26.
Yeah,
Let's see.
majority of them have answered the.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So when you are using a convolution filter and having the slide of one, the size tends to get reduced, and 26 cross 26 is the right answer. Okay, so we majority got it right, but we had a this is the question we had a good number of distribution in all the answers.
Exactly. That the uniform distribution. Amazing.
Okay, let's move forward. The ninth question.
Yes.
The method on the image generator used to normalize the image. So, what is the method used to normalize the image? Whether it's rescale image or rescale, normalize or normalize underscore image. This one might be tricky. I hope you get it
Yes.
right.
Yeah, it can be a little bit tricky. Yeah, they can get confused while
The
choosing
option
it.
looks very similar.
Yes, but yeah, like options are really yeah, they are really similar. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, and time's up. So let's look into the pool. How many people? Again, we have okay, fine. No, not that uniform, but yeah, again,
Yeah,
almost people. We can just sense that yeah, people are a little bit confused with
yeah.
answering the.
This one because it's just the naming convention, so it has to be noted carefully. But yeah, let's look into the answer. So the right
Yes,
answer is rescale. That is the thing that can be used. Okay. So
yes.
we have completed 9 questions. After the 10th question, we can see the leaderboard again, and I'm very interested to see the leaderboard. So can we
I'm
go to
also
the
excited to see the leaderboard.
yeah? Okay, let's go to the 10th question.
Yeah.
To use an embedding in TensorFlow in a sequential layer, what is the name of the class? So there are 4 names listed. Whether it's you can answer it. Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, whether it is tf.keras.layers embed, tf.keras.layers embedding, tf.keras.layers.word to vector, tf.keras.layers word embedding. And the
Okay. Time is up.
time.
It was a nice timing.
Yes.
Okay. We
Okay,
got a
yeah.
majority answer.
I think this can go wrong, might
All
be, I don't know.
right.
Let's see.
Okay. Then let's go with the majority, I guess. Okay. The majority of
Yes.
the people are going good. Okay.
Yes, you're right. Majority right. That's okay.
Okay. So, okay. What's your guess? Whether top 5 will get all the 10 right, or there will be some difference? What is your guess?
I think top 5 will get all of them right. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe last one. The last one can get one or two, one wrong. Yeah.
Okay. So the top 4 will be all the 10 right. That's your guess.
My guess is last one can get one wrong. So yeah, that's my guess.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
And we have a constant 240 participants. So, okay. Let's look into the leaderboard. Okay. No more
Yes.
waiting. Okay. One person.
Okay.
One person has got all the things right.
Yes.
I don't. It's amazing. Till the first half of the quiz is over, and we got one person who got all of them right. And the
That's
timing is
amazing.
also the thing is he's also leading the timing also.
Exactly, and like yeah, he has been like he has answered all of them correct. So yeah, maybe even in those confusing questions, he was out of those who were answering continuously correct.
Yeah,
So,
but he's also answering it fast. That is also great. And
exactly.
we got Avinash in the second place last time also. We can see the same name over here. That is
Yes,
nice.
that's nice. That's nice.
These people can be there in the 15 mark leaderboard also. So let's just give a shout out to the names.
Yes, kindly give the shout out to the names: Srihari Ambarwadi 97, Avinash Avasti, Shaurya 62,000, Param Bharat, and Pranav Raikote. Kudos to you guys.
Yeah, congrats, and it's really amazing. And let's see how the competition goes moving forward. We got solid
Yes,
240 people participant, so being on top five
yes,
is really amazing. And things
exactly.
can
And
change. It's just the first step. Things can change a lot, and the tricky
yes,
questions are
these
there.
10 questions can change a lot. This can just
Yeah.
alter, maybe like the plus people will come the
So
first. Like if,
all the people who are not in the leaderboard, you can be there in the sixth place also. You might not be knowing. So
yes, yes,
give your best, and let's see how things turn around. And all the best to everyone.
exactly,
So let's
exactly.
move forward, Anshul. It's your turn.
Yes, yes. Okay, so the next question is, how does an LSTM help understand meaning when words that qualify each other's are not necessarily beside each other in a sentence? You have four options. First, they load all words into a cell state. B, they don't. C, they shuffle the words randomly. And D, values from earlier words can be carried to later ones via cell state. So you need to focus on the question more, and then you can
Yeah,
focus.
this is quite a big question. So,
Yes. Okay,
but
time is
they
up.
got it. They got it. Majority got
They
it in
got
a
it.
single thing. Okay, let's see the
Yes.
answer.
Let's
So
see
it's
the
the right
answer.
answer.
Yes,
So
it's the correct answer.
yeah, that's amazing. LSTM actually stores previous cell state to in order to
Yes,
make predictions. So it's very important, and most of them have got it right. So I guess we can move
correct.
forward to the 12th
That's
question.
amazing. Yes, let's move forward. Okay, so the next question is ways to optimize machine learning models for deployment and execution. First, overfitting. Second, quantization. Third, regularization. And D, fourth, underfitting.
Okay,
So,
the objective is to deploy it in lightweight device. So what would you
yes,
be doing?
correct.
Okay, let's
Six,
see.
five,
Wait,
4, 3. I think
wait.
most of the people will write. People will answer it right.
Okay, let's see. Oh, we got
Oh,
equally tough competition over here. The question was
between quantization and
quantity and
regularization.
regulation. The question was for deployment and execution. The key word over
Yes,
here is deployment.
execution.
So what has to
Deployment.
be done? Yeah. So the right
Correct.
answer is quantization. So for when you're
Quantization.
deploying in a lightweight device, you normally do quantization. From float 32, you will be converting into int 16 or int 8 so that it can run efficiently in the lightweight devices like mobile phones. There would be a slight drop
Yes.
in accuracy, but still the performance and the accuracy is a trade-off over there. So 40% has got it
Correct.
right. That is amazing.
Amazing.
So let's move forward
Let's
to the
move
13th
forward.
question.
Yes.
So which of the
Okay, so
following is
next
the
question.
TensorFlow
Yes, go
manager
ahead.
cannot do? So TensorFlow managers can do many things. So what is the thing that it cannot do? So loading servables, serving servables, loading servables, debugging servables. So you have four things. So
Yes. Choose
let's see.
smartly. TensorFlow Manager does a lot of things, but only some things which it cannot do.
Does not do. Okay, let's see.
Yes, it does not do.
Okay, this is also another sorting
Okay.
order.
Again, we have a uniformity in the
Uh,
answers.
yeah, sorting order.
Hmm.
So we have a lot of answers in debugging
Yeah.
servables. So let's see what's the right answer.
Let's see what is
And
the right answer. Okay, so most of you still have answered it correctly. The correct answer is debugging samples. Yeah,
so yeah, so around 227 people have answered. So 40% is more than 80 to almost 90 people have got it right. So
90.
that's good.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So let's
That's
move
amazing.
forward.
Let's
The
move
server is
forward.
going good. Yeah.
It's going good.
Okay. What is a repository of trained machine learning models ready to be fine tuned and deployed anywhere? So is it TensorFlow model underscore models, TensorFlow underscore hub, TensorFlow underscore data, TensorFlow underscore repo? What is a place where you can get trained machine learning models that Google provides? So this
Yes,
actually helps a
and
lot. We need not do training. We can just fine tune it. This actually helps
correct.
a lot. So
Yes, it has everything. Okay. Yeah, the time is up. And
exactly
it
50
was pretty
people
much
are gone
okay.
with
Some
this
of
one.
them got confused between A and B, but yeah, most of them still, like 50% of audience
Okay,
has
let's look into the answer.
this. Let's see.
Yeah, the 50% are exactly right. 50% are.
Exactly right.
This is the first time we are getting 50% right.
Exactly, like the exact 50%. Otherwise, we are getting
Yeah.
either odd or even numbers. But yeah, right now, like 50 is even only. Like now, don't spam. But yeah,
Yes.
but it's exactly 50%. So yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
that
that's also nice. So yeah.
yes.
So after the next question, we'll be having a final leaderboard. After that, we the results will be announced in the final event only.
20th Feb. On
So
20th Feb last.
yeah. So let's see. The next leaderboard should give some idea about the leaders, but let's see how things turn around.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's move forward. The TensorFlow Lite converter takes the TensorFlow model and generates a TensorFlow Lite model of the format .tflite. Okay, what is the actually format in which it's stored? The extension is .tflite, but what is the underlying format in which it is stored? Buffer store, flat buffer, weight store, or model format? Which is the underlying format?
Come
So
on, fast. You have 3 seconds, 2,
it's
1. Done.
Okay.
Okay, so this is like this is another pattern. I can observe a
Yeah.
pattern.
1832, 1832.
1832.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
I wish it could be 60. So 16 to the 32 again 16, 16 to the 32. It would have
Okay.
made a good
That
pattern.
looks amazing, right? Okay, but there is
This-
equal split between flat buffer and model format. So let's see which of the four is right. Eight.
Yes, let's see.
Flat buffer is the right answer. So the TF-Lite
Yes.
format is stored in flat buffer. Okay. So if you're working with Tensor TF-Lite and mobiles, you should be knowing this. So we are going to see the leaderboard. So do you think someone would get, the person would be getting all the 15 right? That one person?
No, I don't think so. Now I don't think so.
Okay. It would be a big shock if he gets it right. So let's see the leaderboard.
Yes, it will be a big shock, but yeah, let's see. I'm not.
I'm also assuming the second place would be the same. Let's see.
Let's see then.
I assuming
Okay,
right.
same one. Okay, so we have Srihari Hambarwadi 97. He has been continuous in answering all the question. You know, like I think he has made the highest streaks maybe because he has been a constant one, right? Like he's first position since 2-3.
This,
Like
this is amazing. See, he's always there.
Avinash again.
I guess it right. I somehow thought he would be there in the second place, and he's there.
But
And
yeah,
you can see Avinash's timing. It is very fast. So
it is very fast.
If Srihari goes wrong in one question, Avinash should beat him in timing.
Avinash,
Okay, so
correct.
even I don't think that Srihari would go wrong, but still, there is a tough competition for second place and first place, I guess.
Yes, let's see. But it is confusing. Now they cannot predict who will come first,
Yeah.
right? There is
They
a
have to
very
wait till 20. Yeah.
so you cannot predict right now only. So yes.
Yeah. Okay. And Param was there all last time also, I guess.
Yes, he was
So
also
the top-
there, correct.
The top three were there in the previous leaderboard still, but we have two new entries, I guess.
Yes, correct.
Okay, I'm very excited to see the leaderboard winners actually. Okay,
Yes.
but okay, going forward, we have 5 questions. Anyone can say so. We have 2 new entries. Like that, we can have other new entries also. So try to answer your best, and let's see. We don't have any more leaderboards.
It's fortune. Yeah, you may stand. You know, like you may stand out of one of them. So yeah, don't lose hope, and yeah, keep continuing.
Yeah, and one more thing is, fourth place itself is getting 13. So many people in 13 also can get the prize.
Can
So
get
we-
it right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
exactly.
it's still in the open stage, and you have to wait for the 20th for the event results. But the next 5 questions are very important, so I guess we can move forward.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So the 16th question is here.
Okay, so the next question is which is not a module in TFX dot components? A base, B bulk dot inferer, C and D evaluator. Yeah.
Okay. So this is related to TF extended. So it is regarding
Yes.
real time deployment, and I guess people would get this answer right. So let's wait and see.
Okay, I think I got the answer. Like maybe I'm guessing, but yeah, let's see.
Okay. So the
Okay.
question was not a module. Not is a very important keyword over here.
Not
Okay.
yes. I catch
So
that, but yeah,
let's
let's
see.
see. Okay.
216 people have answered. We got a constant answering of more than 200. That is amazing.
That's good. Yeah. Like right now also we have 200 plus responses. That's good.
Okay, let's go to the answer. So the
Yes.
answer is dot fit. The fit is not there in TFX components. Other things are there.
Yes,
Okay,
it was
so
not
we are-
module.
We are going for the last 4 questions.
Okay, so the next question is how did you lock or freeze a layer from retraining? A TF dot freeze layer, B TF dot layer frozen is equal to true, C TF dot layer dot locked is equal to true, and D layer dot trainable is equal to false.
So when you're getting a pre-trained model, sometimes you need to pause the trainable and few layers alone. So what would you actually do?
Okay.
We have a predominant answer over here.
Yeah, we have like still like not that uniform, but yeah, we still have like I think audience might be confused. Like yeah, might be.
Okay. Yes, the predominant one has got it right. So layers dot
Yeah.
trainable dot cost makes the layers untrainable. So the values would be the one it was before. Okay. So it comes to
Oh,
the final three questions.
yes. Last three questions now. Hurry up, fast answer.
Yes.
Keep your eyes on Slido browser, not on the YouTube stream again.
Yeah. Okay. The last three questions are up for grabs. So all
Yes.
the best.
Yes.
Okay. When you're training a multiple class, what is the class mode for the image augmentation? So you're training multiple class. What would be the class mode? Whether it would be class mode is equal to multiple, multi-class, categorical, or all. What would be the value that it would be passing? Yeah. 10 seconds.
Okay. Yeah, like I think yeah, like some people can get confused, but yeah, I think it's good. They should focus more on the question and then answer. Okay.
Okay. There's competition between B and C, multi-class or
Yes.
categorical.
Multi-class or categorical. Okay, let's
Okay,
see the
let's see. So predominant people have got it right again. So all other than more than two questions, all of them, the predominant answer was the right answer, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes. Only two, I think only two of them.
Yeah. The last
Like
the
the
last question
minority.
and yeah, only two questions was like that.
Yes, exactly. That's good. That's good. Yeah, like most of the questions might be obvious for the people who, like the
Yeah,
tensors say.
we got an amazing audience. That is true.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
true. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go to the last two questions. And
Yes.
I'm waiting a lot. Okay, when you're initializing a tokenizer, how to specify a token to use for unknown words? So, when there's unknown word, what would you use? OOV underscore token or out of the vocabulary, unknown token or unknown word? What would you use? So we got 10 seconds.
Fast, fast. Yes.
Okay.
Questions. This is the second last question. After this, I think maybe the winners are in the pressure. Like who think that they can be the winner, so they are in the
Okay.
pressure.
This is a question that is got almost equal.
This can be level changing, or this can be
Yeah.
position question.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. The thing is, the actual OOV is the right answer. Okay, I'll go to the answer. Sorry. OOV is the
Answer.
right answer. So OOV full form stands for out of vocabulary only, but it is the actual word that is used. And we got exactly a quarter of people got it right. Okay.
Exactly.
We
That's
got
good. That's good.
we got 50%. We got 25%. We also had some wonderful patterns, right? In the number of people got
Yes.
it right.
Yeah, but none of them 100%. Like, yeah, that would have been a good pattern. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, we got a lot. We saw a lot of patterns. So yeah, that was good.
Yeah, that was interesting for us. Yeah.
Yes.
And
So
that
yeah.
means around in 220, we got around 50 and we got 55 people who got the right answer. That is nice.
Correct. Correct. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Yes.
We are coming to the ultimate question, which is the 20. And I would be very shocked if the person would get all the 20 right, and it would be amazing. But let's see.
Yes.
We have to wait for the 20th for main event. And I hope everyone
Exactly.
joins us main event. And you'll be learning a lot from the main event. So please join the main
Yes.
event. We'll be providing the links. So we wanted to share this before the 20th question. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. So shall we go to the 20th question? Okay, guys, be ready. The 20th question is up for grabs. 3, 2, 1, go. When using image augmentation with the image data generator, what happens to your raw image data on the disk? So you will be having data on the disk. What would happen? Whether it's video overwritten or copy of the generator, nothing or augmentation is done in the memory, it gets deleted. So these are the four options. The quiz is going to end in 5, 4,
4, 3, 2,
1.
1. Done. Okay. Again, this can be a position deciding question. I think last two questions were position changing question also.
So the right answer is all augmentations are done in memory. Okay. That is
Yes.
where the
Yes.
augmentation actually happens. And that brings us to the end of 1 to 20 questions. And we had more than 200 answers for all the questions. That's really
Yes.
amazing.
That was amazing. That means
Thanks
the
a lot.
audience Yeah, they were constant in answering the questions. Maybe like that was good. Okay, so as I already mentioned that we had a lot of we are regularly conducting a lot of activities. So we are actually giving you chances to earn TensorFlow goodies as much as you can. Like we want you to earn it. So yeah, so the first one we have is show us your new normal. So what you have to do is this is a very interesting one. That is, you just have to click a picture, your picture of your work from home look, or maybe you can say your home office space, and you have to post it as a best quality photo. Like you just have to make sure that, and you can stand a chance to win a TensorFlow goodie, or you can win, TensorFlow
And
goodies.
you can win a lot of goodies. And Ansel, we can have a small discussion with the audience. So how was the quiz? And we can get some things, and we can just ask them
Yes,
how
sure.
was it? We want to have some feedback. So in the comments you
Yeah.
can reply. So did you enjoy the quiz? Was there something that you learned new?
Okay, so some people are also mentioning their ranks. Okay. Then we have, okay. Don't get disappointed. You have so many chances to win as of now. We have two icebreaker leaves. We have two icebreaker activities on the final day. That is 20th Feb. So yeah, you don't lose hope. Then we have so many activities which we are conducting to give you, like to distribute you goodies, to TensorFlow goodies. So yeah, don't lose hope. That's good.
Yeah. Okay. We actually have the final results with us, but
Okay, so there is one question.
what?
Yeah, there is one question that where we have to post, where they have to post it. So yes, you can post it on your social, as we have already mentioned our social media handles. That is TFUG India on like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget the most important part is that for us to know that yes, you have actually participated in this particular competition. You have to tag us on the social media handle, and you already know it, and don't forget to add the hashtag TF Everywhere. That is also a must. And yes, tag TFUG India and add the hashtag TF
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Individual people will know their results, but we also know the result. But we wanted to give them a special mention in the main event. So I request
Correct.
everyone to join the main event. So each of us, you know your own position, but join the main event, and it would be very nice to know all the top 5 winners. Okay, so please join us over
Exactly.
there.
Yes.
So it is nice. We actually had a great number of participants. And is there any feedback that you want to share? Like, how was the quiz? And did you enjoy the quiz? But
I
I was
think the
really
people, yes, the people who know it already, that they have answered like most of them correct, so they must have enjoyed it. But yes, I think apart from that, the questions were really like brainstorming questions, so it could actually like help you a lot. Yeah, so yes,
hope
we have a
they
lot
also
of,
enjoyed the event. So we get some
yes,
replies. Thanks a lot,
correct.
Tanmay. Thanks a lot, Aman, Tony. Yeah, it was nice. Thanks for
Yes.
the wonderful replies.
Yes, let's share the next one, the next activity also.
Yeah.
The
Meanwhile, yeah, we can also share this.
Yes. So this is for especially for all the designers in the house. So yes, what you have to do is you have to design a fun logo where like for TensorFlow everywhere, and this is really this is really an interesting one and a creative one too. So we will be testing your creativity, and yes, we'll be testing but yeah, there are 2-3 rules which are specific. So yeah, kindly just next slide. Okay, so yeah, there are some instructions which you have to make sure, or which you have to follow up when you are actually designing. And remember, like the last day for submission is today, that is 17th, 2021. So yes, I think you still have 3-4 hours in your hand. Yeah, 4-5 hours in your hand by 12. So yes, you can still participate, hurry up, and you can stand a chance to win exciting goodies. So the basic structure, the first instruction, the basic structure of the TensorFlow logo should not be altered. So the logo should be as it is. You should not be altering the logo at all. The second is you have to show your creativity and love for TensorFlow, because yeah, this we have conducted this event especially for all the tensors and all the TensorFlow enthusiasts. So yes, you should show your creativity and love for TensorFlow. The next, the best submissions will be showcased on our official handles too. So yes, that's a good news that we'll be selecting them out, and then we'll also be showcasing them in our social official handles. Then lastly, I have already discussed. You can also have a look at the assets for designing at bit.ly/tf assets. You can have a look at there, and you can take a good reference from there. And then yes, and one more important thing, don't forget to tag our social
Yeah,
handle, that is
please
at
retweet
TFUG.
us. Yeah,
Yes.
do this because This quiz was amazing. We want to reach more audience on the main event. So please share your questions. If you enjoyed the quiz, share it on your social media and help us to reach
Correct.
to a wider audience. It would be a great help for us, and it will motivate us to conduct more events like this in the future. So please share the
Yes.
word out with your friends and with all your colleagues. It would be of a great
Yes.
help.
Yes, correct. So don't forget to tag us. Don't forget to add the hashtag also, that is hashtag TF Everywhere India, and also also mention TFUG India. And again, as usual, as we have already mentioned, that results will be announced on the event day, that is 20th Feb 2021. So yes, you'll have to wait for that. And yeah, with this
That's
we
it
come
from
to.
our side.
So yes, that's about it.
It was
Not
a great time. I had a great
just
time until hosting the quiz. How about you?
Yes, I actually same thing. I actually feel the same.
I hope the participants also felt the same. And we are looking
Yes.
forward to see you all in the main event at TensorFlow Everywhere India. Please be there. And we have a lot of late sessions by great speakers. Hoping to see you all in the TensorFlow
Yes.
Everywhere India at Feb 20th.
So yes, that's about it. Not with TensorFlow everywhere, but yes, for today. So with this, we come to an end to the pre-event of TensorFlow everywhere. Hope you had a good and productive time interacting with us for the TensorFlow quiz. So with that, I would like to thank you all on behalf of the entire TFUG India team for joining us today. We would also like to thank GDG India for all your support and all your constant support, as always. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for joining. See you in the main event. Thank you.